I don't think I'll feel
Look how well Sky is walking.
Oh, Sky, they're back.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm starting off the vlog in the car with my dad. We're going to Costco, as anyone does when preparing for college.
You say we got T-minus 24 hours.
Well, that's true. We do have T-minus 24 hours until I'm back at school. I'm moving into my sorority house tomorrow, actually. I think we're gonna try and get there pretty early, around 9. So we have to leave here pretty early. So that means I gotta be all packed up by tonight, which means I have to pack, which I honestly really haven't done. I imagine that there's gonna be some panic in this vlog. How did I do this to myself? Like what? Because it's just how I am. I like to procrastinate and then just kind of squeeze it all into one time period. So hopefully it all works out. I think it should. It's my 3rd year doing this. Like, I feel like I should know what I'm doing. Today is Sunday, and next week, next Sunday, my moving vlog will be live. So definitely subscribe if you guys are new. Give this video a thumbs up if you guys like college videos or any kind of like packing move-in vlogs. I just love videos like that. And let's get packing. I'm stressed. Honestly, it's just because a lot of things that I like have to do today are not out of my control, but it's just like on other people's schedules. So my dad and I are headed over to my grandpa's house to say goodbye to him, and I haven't seen him in a while, so I'm excited to see him. After that, I'm going to pick up, I ordered last night Sage Lows from Dick's Sporting Goods. Actually, I was gonna get them straight from Nike because they were doing a student discount, but then the discount didn't work, so I got them from Dick's, and I'm actually doing in-store, or no, curbside pickup, or they come out to your car or something really convenient. I'm gonna start driving. Don't worry, I'm not talking and driving for long. Yeah, so I'm doing that, and I'm gonna go get Duncan. I'm dropping off. I have Abby's grad gift in the back, which a little late, sorry Abby. And then I'm going to go, did I already say? This is what happens when I vlog and drive. Right now I'm headed to Dick's Sporting Goods to pick up my Nike Air Force One Sage Lows. Sorry, I could not create a freaking thought right there. I am so excited to try them on. They're just, they're gonna be so fresh to death. I can already feel it. Finally, when I get home, which will honestly probably, right now it's around 3. I was at my grandpa's house for a while, but I'll probably get all that done by like 3:30, and then hopefully I'll get packing then, because Lord knows I need to do these. The last clip, I literally, like, yeah, I'll be home by 3:30 at the latest. It's 4:50. It's almost 5. Like, I spent so much time talking to Abby. I talked to Ashley too, obviously said goodbye to her. That was awesome to see both of them, but also like, guys, like, how did I do this to myself? Like what? Okay, before we get going on the packing, because this is literally, the rest of this vlog better be 1,000 time lapses, because I have got, I mean, there's no other option. Like, I have to do it tonight. Oh, my mom took my clothes out of the laundry and folded them for me. That's really sweet. Okay, sorry, got distracted. But I want to show these to you guys. I got the Air Force Ones Sage Lows. Oh my gosh, they are so fresh to death. I almost want to wear them around my room just like for fun. They look like this. That is a sexy shoe. I think I'm honestly gonna put them on, because why not? They're literally clean. Wearing them around my house. Let me show y'all the state of my room right now, because that's another situation. A lot of this stuff is just like stuff, like I need to pack this stuff away. The stuff I'm not taking with me. These cubes I'm taking with me, but I want to take these baskets, and like I just have random crap. Also, I bought these shoe organizers from Amazon. So I'm going to fill up one with my shoes and see how many shoes I want to bring. God, I think first, sorry, I'm like trying to think as I'm speaking. Also, this is the desk organizer that I got, and I think I like it. I need to pick which colorful pens I want to take with me. Anything that's going in the loft is coming to school with me. So what I'm thinking of doing is just anything like out right now that I want to take with me, I'm just going to put in the loft, whether or not it's organized or in bins or anything, just so I can kind of see what I have there. Then I'm going to probably do my clothes and my toiletries first, because that's like the biggest thing, I'd say. And then it's a bunch of like little things, you know, so stuff like that, I guess. Gosh, I'm like a little really overwhelmed. I also need to like sit down, and I have like stuff on a list of things like to remember, but also just like making a full list of like, just like sitting down and thinking about it, because I've just kind of thrown stuff on that list throughout the summer, I guess, and just like things I've thought of. So first I'm gonna clean, and then I'll deal with everything else. Yeah. Back in the car again, my friends. This time, I'm dropping off a textbook to Abby, who I literally just saw, but I did not bring the textbook. I'm popping over to Walgreens, which should take a couple minutes, picking up the picture that I just ordered literally like 20 minutes ago, which is perfect. I never ordered pictures for the corkboard, but I'll do that tonight, I guess, and they're just gonna be there late, so. I think I actually messed up the white balance earlier, so hopefully it looks a little bit more normal now, but I just finished cleaning up my room and kind of just organizing stuff a little bit. You know, my method right now is kind of the lack thereof, but basically anything that I see that's either been sitting around my room or something that I wouldn't necessarily think to pack, I'm just throwing it in our loft. Just like stuff kind of hodgepodge together, and I'm going to come in here after and just kind of group things, put them in IKEA bags, put them in the storage that I'm bringing, kind of group them and organize them like I said. Also, look at this jewelry holder I got. I did this yesterday. So cute. And that's gonna hang inside my closet on a hook. Perfect. Oh, that reminds me. It's just like little things like over the door hooks, like things that I already use in my room that I need to remember to bring. I think we're about to eat dinner soon. It's currently 7:15. I'm just gonna kind of put a couple more things out there, and then I'm gonna start in on the clothes, which honestly I think is gonna be super easy. It'll probably take like 10-20 minutes because I just know what I need and know what I need to bring. It's not like first year where I was just like, I had no idea. I guess my tip that maybe you guys could take some advice from is just kind of pull things that you know you're gonna need. Focus more on just like grabbing things that you know you'll need rather than like going down the list, because I feel like the list is like very overwhelming at first unless you're that type of person who likes going down the list. I don't. I like batching things and just kind of being like, okay, what do I have left? What's in the first floor? What's in the second floor? Which probably is derived from my laziness, but work smarter, not harder, people, okay? Okay. She was living in summer. Flowers in her hair. I'm currently drinking a coffee. It's 10 p.m. That's where this is going. I had dinner, and since then honestly I've been super sluggish and just like really tired, which makes me think I maybe should have taken a nap today so I could have been rested up for this, but that moment has now passed. I finished up my closet stuff, so I have all my clothes here that I'm gonna bring, which looks way less in the frame. It's definitely overpacking, but obviously I don't live like too far from school, so like I can come back and get stuff, or my mom can come drop it to me, but don't know how long we're gonna be there. Like we could be there with no break till the end of November. We could also only be there for 3 weeks, so I don't know. Only jacket I'm packing is my Barber jacket, like my light kind of fall jacket. If time comes and we make it that far, I will come back home and get my winter jacket. I think I'm about to do my bathroom stuff because that's like the second most. It's not even daunting to do like the clothes in the bathroom because like I've packed a lot recently, so I just feel like fine to do that, but both are like necessary things to get done. And then I'm more daunted by just like the little things that I have to do, and also just like I haven't really packed anything besides my clothes. These are all the clothes from my dresser and like everything, and honestly it's pretty organized in here. And then I have shoes with some extra compartment over there, but here I've just started bringing stuff out from my room that I know I want to take, and then now it's just like a complete mess. And I told myself I was gonna go through this bin and like evaluate what I want to take to school when I'm not, and I'm not even sure I'm gonna have time to do that tonight. This whole drawer set is completely empty, so I guess actually I could put my towels and stuff in there. I think this is gonna be used completely for like bath stuff. I just am really honestly concerned about storage. I'm thinking I might be able to get another one of these next to this one and then stack my 2 shoe organizers just so that I have enough space. It's all dependent on the room. And then that's like empty. It's just like things are like half full because I haven't really packed. All in all, definitely feeling the heat. Also, like, so stupid, but I'm like a little nervous almost for the vlog tomorrow. Not even nervous. I mean, yeah, a little bit. I'm just like anxious a little bit thinking about it, just because like, first of all, last year we moved in 2 different days, so like I had more time to get more footage, so like each day didn't have to be like perfect. Not that I'm trying to make it perfect, but it's just like, as I mentioned in my last vlog, if you guys got that far, I just sometimes vlogging really stresses me out because I'm concerned about the shots and everything. This vlog, I told myself we're not allowed to stress out. This is just like a bonus video. People want to watch, they'll watch. If they don't, they don't. That's cool. Also, we're all 3 moving in tomorrow, so like I'm stressed for that, just like because the room isn't that big, so like we're all gonna be there and our parents are gonna be there and I haven't met their parents, so it's like I don't want to be that person who's like, hey, just hold on, hold your conversation for a sec, let me just get this vlog clip. Like, no, obviously not. Obviously it's all fine. That's why I'm trying to get there early. One, to avoid that, but also two, to make sure that like I kind of get my stuff done, and then like Shannon and Clara can like do theirs separate from each other too, so it's like everyone has their own time to move in. Let's do the bathroom and then go from there.
Baby, it's 2:30 and I should probably head back home, but I'm afraid to be alone. What do I need to do to get some time with you? I'd rather be half involved and missing all of you. Drinking till the sun comes up, better than feeling like I need your love. Dancing till my legs go numb, till I go numb. Dancing till my legs go numb.
Hey guys, it's the next day now. It's actually my move-in day, and I realized when I woke up this morning, I never ended off the video. Basically last night, I finished up the last clip, brushed my teeth, took off my makeup, went to bed. I was so tired. Yeah. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you're new. My college move-in vlog is coming super soon. If all goes well, it'll be coming this Sunday. Honestly, I'm really tired right now, but I'm so excited for that video and to see how my room turns out. So I will see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.